Monday and you bear the ling of Bhagwan Shambho and you consume it, it is said within 46 days you will be cured. Pavanaputra Hanuman Baba cured Tulsidas. My brothers and sisters, Goswami Tulsidas, when he was writing the Ramcharitamanas, he was suffering from bodily pain. His hands, he couldn't raise his hands. His feet, his body was completely paralyzed. And he challenged Pavanaputra Hanuman. He begged Hanumanji to cure him. And Hanumanji cured Tulsidas. When Tulsidas was cured, there was a Muslim Raja that was living in Delhi. And the Raja heard of Tulsidas. And he said, Tulsidas, I heard you see God and talk to God. And I want you to show me God. He said, Raja, I cannot show you God. I can show you the path to God. But you have to inherit that yourself. You will have to work very hard, your tapasya, and God will present himself to you. He said, Tulsidas, you disobey me. And he imprisoned Tulsidas. When Tulsidas was in prison, he composed a Hanuman Chalisa. In the prison cell, Tulsidas composed a Hanuman Chalisa. And he sung the glories of Guruji, Pavanaputra Hanuman Sri Ram. And he was meditating morning, noon and evening. And it is recorded, it is in history, that the whole of Delhi, they saw thousands and thousands and thousands of Bandar took over Delhi. The Raja kingdom was taken over by monkeys. The prison cell was opened by the monkeys. And Tulsidas was still reciting the Hanuman Chalisa. He could not walk around his kingdom anymore. And he ran to the prison where Tulsidas was sitting. And he palan kare him, put his hands together. And he said, Mahapurusha, you're a great soul. The following day, they were all gone. Tulsidas did not take that as a recommendation that he is the one who caused it to. No. He bowed to Guruji, Pavanaputra Hanuman. I want to tell you that the name of Bhagwan can cure any illness. There is no doubt about that. May he be Ram, may he be Krishna, may he be Hanuman. And they are Vedic mantras, they are Beja mantras, and these mantras are very powerful mantras. Every mantra has the healing power. Samhar Bhairav. Number 3, Samhar Bhairav. Samhar Bhairav means destruction, annihilation. In the form of Samhar Bhairav, Bhagwan Shankar himself, Hara Hara Mahadev, present himself with 5 faces. Hanumanji has 5 faces, Panchamukhi. Bhagwan Shambho has 5 faces also, Panchamukhi. In this form, everyone should take refuge at his feet, it is said. He is the destroyer of poverty, misery, and the giver of prosperity. Number 4, Ruhu Bhairav. In the form of Ruha Bhairav, it means wild dog. What does it mean, wild dog? There's a dog always sitting near Bhairav Baba. There's a dog sitting near to Bhairav Baba, meaning destruction. A dog keeps chasing you. If you run, he keeps chasing you. It is said, the mind keeps chasing you also. The human mind is like that. If the mind says go here, the body goes there. If the mind says go here, the body goes there. The senses goes there. Here just said, in this form, he controls the mind. He gives the mind stability. He gives your mind stability when you pray to him as Ruhu Bhairava. Krodha Bhairava. Krodha means anger. Those of us who have anger, those of us who are always having the fire of anger within us, and we cannot control our emotion, our sentimental feelings, and we behave very badly in our lives, with our family, with ourselves, co-workers, or the world, it is said, you pray to Bhagavan as Krodha Bhairava. He controls all your abhiman, your ghamand and pakhand. He put an end to all your immoral, unethical behavior. Kapala Bhairava means the skull. In this form, it is said, he symbolizes destruction also. But he said also, he is the destroyer of all bondages of the jivas. He is the destroyer of all the bondage of the jivas, past, present, and future karma. If you became with past karma and you're suffering now, you want to know why you're suffering. You're doing so much of prayer and tapasya every day, and you're suffering, something is going wrong. No, you came with that bundle, you came with that samskar. It is with you. That's your sankalp, you came with that sankalp. You have to work it out. He said in this form, in the Kapala Bhairava, Bhagavan said, when you pray to me in this form, I erase your past, I help you in your present, and I give you a beautiful and dynamic future. The same form is called Rudra Bhairava, the terrible form. He becomes the Prajapati in Rudraha. He becomes the Prajapati, the priest of all the gods. He is the protector of his devotees. He will never leave you. He will stand with you very firm. And the eighth form is called Umata Bhairava, the raging one, which means that he is the guru of Shanidev, Saturn. Shanidev will never come and interfere with you. As Hanumanji promised, wherever my name is recited, Shani Baba will have to bring Shanti in that home. Who is Hanumanji? Pavanaputra Hanuman is Mahadeva Shiva Shambho. Who is Mahadeva Shiva Shambho? Pavanaputra Hanuman. Who is Bhairav Baba? Hara Hara Mahadeva Shambho. So tonight, I conclude in telling all of us here tonight, my brothers and sisters, Satya Dharma Sarupa Karma Abhishta Viharanao Shama Sundara Rupaya Premanataya Mangalam Satya Dharma Param Dhamaha Satya Dharma Maheshwaram Devata Mangalakaram Bande Satyam Shumangalam. Closing remarks. O Lord Bhairav Baba, this family love you dearly. All of us love you dearly. Tonight we have a clear picture who you are. You are Hara Hara Mahadev. We will continue to worship you as the light of lights, the ocean of mercy and kindness, the purest of the pure. You symbolize perfection of all that is perfect in the universe. O Bhairav Baba, give us, the mortals, celestial bliss, with the understanding sent forth from the innumerable holy presence of the heavens. O Bhairav Baba, never forsake us. Take us into your infinite arms, and forever, may we always, now and forever, sing your glories. A beautiful bhajan as I conclude. Dolak? Acha. Hare Ram Narayan, Satya Narayan. O Bhairo Baba, Bhairo Baba, Kali Bhavani, Hare sab logo ka Ambe Bhavani, Maya ji. Ram Narayan, Satya Narayan, Ram Narayan, Satya Narayan, Ram Narayan, Satya Narayan. Bhairo Baba, Bhairo Baba, Shambho Mahadeva. Bhairo Baba, Bhairo Baba, Shambho Mahadev. Bhairo Baba, Bhairo Baba, Shambho Mahadeva. Bhairo Baba, Bhairo Baba, Shambho Mahadev. सब लोगों का राम भजन का सब
बाबा भैरव बाबा शंभो भवानी।
राम नारायण सत्य नारायण,
राम नारायण सत्य नारायण।
अरे जय जय श्री काली के लाला, अरे जयति काशी कृतवाला। धन्य धन्य भैरव भय भंजन, अरे जय मनोरंजन कलधल भंजन। अरे राम नारायण सत्य नारायण,
राम नारायण सत्य नारायण।
राम नारायण सत्य नारायण,
राम नारायण सत्य नारायण।
भैरव बाबा शंभो महादेव,
भैरव बाबा शंभो महादेव।
भैरव बाबा शंभो महादेव,
भैरव बाबा शंभो महादेव।
राम नारायण सत्य नारायण,
राम नारायण सत्य नारायण।
सब लोगों का अम्बे भवानी,
सब लोगों का अम्बे भवानी।
सब लोगों का काली भवानी,
सब लोगों का काली भवानी।
राम नारायण सत्य नारायण,
राम नारायण सत्य नारायण।
भैरव बाबा शंभो महादेव,
भैरव बाबा शंभु महादेव।
अरे रूप विशाल कठिन दुख मोचन, क्रोध कराल लाल दुहलोचन। अरे बम बम भम शिव बम भम भोला, टम 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 कर त्रिशूल डमरू। अरे राम नारायण सत्य नारायण,
राम नारायण सत्य नारायण।
भैरव बाबा शंभो महादेव,
भैरव बाबा शंभु महादेव।
भैरव बाबा शंभो महादेव,
भैरव बाबा शंभु महादेव।
सब लोगों का काली भवानी,
सब लोगों का काली भवानी।
सब लोगों का अम्बे भवानी,
सब लोगों का अम्बे भवानी।
राम नारायण सत्य नारायण,
राम नारायण सत्य नारायण।
भैरव बाबा शंभो भवानी,
भैरव बाबा काली भवानी।
भैरव बाबा काली भवानी,
भैरव बाबा काली भवानी।
ओम सर्वेषां मंगलं भूयात्, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्युर्मामृतं गमय। पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। बोलो सियापति रामचंद्र की जय, शरणं प्रभु उमापति महादेव की जय। बोलो पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय। भगवती शक्ति भवानी माँ भैरव बाबा की जय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम।
जामाए सुगंध पुष्टिर्वरेदनम् उर्वारुकमेव वन्दना मृत्युर्मुक्षमामृता जय 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 कैलाशपति देवा देवा महादेवा जय 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 कैलाशपति देवा देवा महादेवा देवा महादेवा जय 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 कैलाशपति देवा देवा महादेवा देवा महादेवा जटांग में तंग विराजत सर्पयंग में सर्प विराजत जटांग में तंग विराजत सर्पयंग में सर्प विराजत सब देवन में शंभु हमारी सब देवन में शंभु हमारी ये मृग चाला वाल महादेवा देवा महादेवा देवा महादेवा जय 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 कैलाशपति देवा देवा महादेवा देवा महादेवा नाथ में कैलाश बुला लो सरपति जी है दर्श दिखा दो नाथ में कैलाश बुला लो सरपति जी है दर्श दिखा दो नाम तुम्हारा दिल में बसा दो नाम तुम्हारा दिल में बसा दो उठी रमालो वाल महादेवा देवा महादेवा देवा महादेवा जय 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 कैलाशपति देवा देवा महादेवा देवा महादेवा कितना दे दुख आप हरे हो आप गुण संसार भरे हो कितना दे दुख आप हरे हो आप गुण संसार भरे हो सब देवन में शंभु हमारी सब देवन में शंभु हमारी ये मृग चाला वाल महादेवा देवा महादेवा देवा महादेवा जय 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 कैलाशपति देवा देवा महादेवा देवा महादेवा जय 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 कैलाशपति देवा देवा महादेवा देवा महादेवा देवा महादेवा देवा महादेवा
गाओ गाओ मालूम
तेरा पार न पाया तेरा
भजा नारियल,
पान सुपारी भजा नारियल,
पान सुपारी भजा नारियल,
पान सुपारी भजा नारियल,
ले तेरी भेंट चढ़ाया, ले तेरी भेंट चढ़ाया।
सुन मेरी देवी पर्वतवासी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
सुआ चोर तेरी अंग विराजे,
सुआ चोर तेरी अंग विराजे,
सुआ चोर तेरी अंग विराजे,
सुआ चोर तेरी अंग विराजे।
केसर तिलक लगाया, केसर तिलक लगाया।
सुन मेरी देवी पर्वतवासी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
ब्रह्मा बैर पढ़े तेरी बारी,
ब्रह्मा वेद पढ़े तेरे द्वारे,
ब्रह्मा वेद पढ़े तेरी बारी।
ब्रह्मा वेद पढ़े तेरे द्वारे।
शंकर ध्यान लगाया, शंकर ध्यान लगाया।
सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
ऊंच ऊंच पर्वत बना देवाले, पर्वत बना देवाले। नीचे शहर बसाया, नीचे शहर बसाया।
सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वतवासी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
नंगे पर तेरी आगे आया,
नंगे पर तेरे आगे आया,
नंगे पथ तेरी आगे आया।
नंगे पर तेरे आगे आया।
सोन एकत्र चढ़ाया, सोन एकत्र चढ़ाया।
सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
सतयुग त्रेता द्वापर मरे,
सतयुग द्वापर त्रेता मरिये,
सतयुग द्वापर त्रेता मरे।
सतयुग द्वापर त्रेता मरिये।
कलयुग राज समाया, कलयुग राज समाया।
सुन मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती,
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती,
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती।
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती।
मोहन बोदल दाया, मोहन बोदल दाया।
सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
धाम भजत मैं तेरी गुण गावे,
दानो भगत मैया तेरे गुण गाऊं,
धाम भजत मैं तेरी गुण गावे।
दानो भगत मैया तेरे गुण गावे।
मन वांछित फल पाया, मन वांछित फल पाया।
सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
सुन मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
पर्वतवासिनी पार न पाया।
दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ।
दुर्गे दुर्गे जय जय माँ।
दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ।
दुर्गे दुर्गे जय जय माँ।
आली अपालिनी
काल कपालिनी माँ।
आली अपालिनी
काल कपालिनी माँ।
जगदोधारिणी
जगदोधारिणी माँ।
जय जय आली माता। जय जय देवी माता। जय जय देवी माता।
बोले आज शक्ति देवी दुर्गा माता की जय. Devotees, please remain where you are. Clasp your hands, bow your heads, close your eyes. As we have now filled and energized our bodies with the nectar of the wonderful Katha delivered by Panditji this evening, we say, O Ma, Bhairav Baba, Lord Shiva, we have come from near and far to join in this Mahayagya, this 5-night yagya, this being the end of the first night. We thank you, O Lord, for giving us this opportunity, for it is you who had educated us in the scriptures, as you have said, Satya Samagam Harikatha, Tulsi Durlabadoi, Sutadara or Lakshmi Papi ke bhi hoi. It is only when we are in the company of the truth, Satsang, that we can attain oneness with our Bhagwan, with our God. As we thank all of you for coming this evening, we end with our closing prayers. Om Tvameva Mata Chapita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhuscha Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Asato Ma Satgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. From untruth, lead us on to truth. From darkness, lead us on to light. And from death, lead us on to eternal life. Hey Prabhu Shri Ram, Maryada Purushottam Shri Ram, we ask and beg and beseech you tonight, O Lord, as your devotees, as your children, to please listen to our cry in these following words. Mere vinti suno he Ram, Meri vinti suno he Ram, Meri vinti suno he Ram,